I think we're gonna do 2 different recipes that are kind of going bad, and I need to get them done and mix them together and see what happens. So we're gonna do David is hungry and David makes food. David's just cooking with all of his friends on another episode of Dinner with David. We have creamy tomato chicken sausage. Cavatappi with roasted garlic and bell pepper, but I'm not gonna do it the way that it says to. And the apricot Dijon chicken with pan sauce and roasted veggies. And the zucchini and that's already gone. So we're just doing the carrots and yeah. We already started putting the cavatappi in the water and making it hot. And we're still thawing out the meats because we have the meats. This time I'm not really following the script. I'm just putting all the stuff into a pile and letting it cook. And hopefully that works out okay. And if it doesn't, well, it'll be fun, right? It'll be fun. But I need to put the garlic in still. Shit. I shook the garlic powder in with the veggies and stuff. The garlic and the shallot are kind of doing their thing a little too quickly. Then the carrot, of course, because I'm an idiot. But it's gonna get cooked eventually. It'll be, you know, partially burnt and partially like not cooked enough, and it'll be great. When the water is overflowing again, how fun. But the cavatappi is still happening. Just added the apricot jam, chicken stock, and Dijon mustard into this thing, and some water just to stir the pot a little. I think next we'll put the tomato paste in with the, it looks pretty done. It look al dente to me anyway, but I'm no expert on dentists. And then we'll get to cooking the meats because we have them. On these sweet Italian pork sausage links, we are squeezing the meat out of the condom looking thingy, and yeah, cooking that stuff. Yeah, also that looks done and good and great. And this is still cooking because those carrots are gonna take forever. So exciting things are happening. Now we've got the sausages on the pasta. Now we gotta finish the chicken, and someday these carrots might even be sort of tender, but not right now. Cooked off all the liquidy stuff with all the sauces and juices and stuff, and I think they're basically done. There's a couple pieces that are too thick that are just gonna be hard, but they're gonna go on top. And then we got the chicken cooking, and it's almost done. Looking at it, I was definitely supposed to put stuff in the oven instead of on the top, but I don't know, it's kind of coming out pretty good, I think. There's that one, and then there's that one. Both of them were supposed to have stuff down below, and I didn't. So whoopsies. Well, it's innovative or something, or just idiot. Same thing, right? That chicken right there, it looks really good. This is what's gonna happen with it. Well, the pasta was cold by the time I got the chicken done. But otherwise, it's not too bad for a hodgepodge of stuff together. And now I'm only 4 meals behind.